Concealed within the shrubbery sits a honey badger, an organism labeled the world's bravest beast, as per Guinness World Records. Having hides as deep as 6 millimeters, which move loosely about their frames, these badgers are virtually resistant to the teeth and talons of numerous foes, including cobra poison. The juvenile baboon moves nearer, angling its head while watching the odd being inside the brush, unaware it is playing with one of the savanna's deadliest inhabitants. The little baboon's tiny palm contacts the badger's brief tail and yanks gently, slowly initiating a sequence of unavoidable occurrences.
The honey badger rotates its gaze, dark pupils revealing zero dread, just the icy caution of a combatant used to numerous mortal struggles. It retreats slightly, produces a deep, raspy snarl from within its gullet, the ultimate cautionary noise before its tolerance is fully exhausted. Yet the juvenile baboon continues forward, and now tugs more firmly, breaching the limit no animal ought to disturb when encountering a honey badger. To comprehend why the honey badger's following response is so fearsome, one has to examine the armaments natural selection has gifted this beast across eons.
Honey badger talons reach nearly 4 centimeters, firm as metal and sickle-shaped, aiding efficient digging and causing severe injury to prey or rivals. While jaws are small, their bite strength shatters turtle shells, and crucially, they instinctively aim for an enemy's most vulnerable spots. By comparison, baboons have canines more evolved than leopards, but their primary power comes from quantity and team cooperation. If one individual sounds a warning, the whole troop alters behavior immediately, producing a rapid and unified group defense.
The rado spins quickly and chops the juvenile primate's limb. Shrieks erupt, shattering the quiet, radiating like a critical warning siren. The primate colony responds immediately. Mature males rush in from every side, jaws agape, showing fangs among menacing snarls. Within moments, the rado is encircled by the monkey group. They create a tight ring with no opening for the trespasser to flee. The honey badger refuses to retreat. It raises hackles, produces deep, throaty rumbles, defying the whole primate pack. Combat drive totally eclipsing every logic of self-preservation.
The assault happens concurrently from various angles. Primates pounce to nip, then swiftly pull back, preventing the badger from concentrating on a single foe. The badger whirls incessantly, employing talons to strike back, at times causing major harm to those failing to evade promptly. Yet with every riposte, numerous baboons strike from the rear, teeth piercing through dense hide, attempting to pull apart the tiny frame of the solitary animal. Injuries grow more severe, yet the badger persists in fighting, every snap precisely targeting the adversary's visage or gullet.
The baboon pack utilizes strategy rather than solo strikes. They organize in squads of 3 or 4, some pinning limbs while others target the cranium and throat. The honey badger's defiance evidently diminishes. Retaliations decrease as the frame is struck from various angles beneath constant strain from the whole colony. Snarls slowly fade, yet gazes do not quench the combative spark. The life-preserving drive of the world's most intrepid creature refuses to yield. The fatigue. The skirmish continues for almost 10 minutes. Eventually, the honey badger gives out. Not due to a missing spirit, but since the physique has surpassed stamina boundaries. Yet the baboon group keeps striking even after the animal has ceased fighting back. Defensive urges will not permit any hazard and opportunity to recuperate. The primary male pulls the corpse onto a nearby limb. This conduct signals the shift from land protection to using a precious protein supply. Baboons eat everything, with flesh making up a portion of their meals, and a honey badger remains a dietary asset that can't be overlooked in this grim setting.